It is so important to heal. If you've been in a toxic relationship, a narcissistic relationship, maybe there's just life events that has caused trauma, that has caused anxiety, depression. We all go through that. Life has its ups and it has its downs, but you don't have to stay there. You can move past these blockages, and I encourage you to reach out to me if you're ready to live a fulfilling life, a life that you know that you deserve, because you do deserve more, and you don't have to keep attracting the same kind of people or go through the same circumstances in life. In fact, when things are coming up and there's patterns coming up, it's a sign that it's time to heal. And there's been times in your life that you did not have the resources, that other people didn't have the resources to help you through this. But now is your chance to finally heal yourself and move forward. So shoot me a message and I'd be glad to help you move forward in this area of your life for this time and this season.